Question number 9 of exercise 12.3. The AB and CD are two diameters of a circle with center O perpendicular to each other, and OD is the diameter of a smaller circle. If OA equal to 7 cm, find the area of shaded region. This is a figure. AB and CD are two diameters. If OA equal to 7, it means diameter AB equal to 14 cm, and the OC is also 7 cm. And OD is 7. The radius of the smaller circle is 7 by 2 centimeter. This is a figure. Then CD equal to 14 and AB equal to 14. This. The radius of the smaller circle is 7 by 2 centimeter. AB equal to 2 OA, 2 into 7, 14, and OC is 7. Area of shaded region equal to area of shaded region equal to, here is the area of shaded region. This is a circle and shaded region is here. This shaded region equal to the area of semicircle minus area of triangle plus area of smaller circle. Area of semicircle is 1 by 2 pi r square minus area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC plus area of smaller circle. Smaller circle. The 1 by 2 pi r square. Here 1 by 2 pi is 22 by 7 and radius of this circle is 7. Minus area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 base into height. Base is 14 and height is 7. And smaller circle area pi r square 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Now solve. 11 7 just 77 minus 49 plus 7 11. 77 by 2 is 37.5. 77 2 3 38.5 centimeter square. 17 minus 28 plus 38.5. This is 0.5 66.5 centimeter square. Next question. The question number 10. The area of an equilateral triangle ABC is 17320.5 centimeter square. With each vertex of a triangle as center, a circle is drawn with radius equal to the half of the length of the sides of the triangle. Find the area of shaded region using pi equal to 3.14 and root 3 equal to this. Here is the ABC is an equilateral triangle and radius is the half of this triangle. The area is given that 17320.5. Area of equilateral triangle is this. The formula of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 into side square equal to 17320.5. And root 3 value is 1.73205 by 4 into side square equal to 17320.5. Now solving this, side square equal to 4 into 320.5 by 1.73205. The decimal place 1 2 3 4 5 and here is only 1. So taking 1 2 3 4. There are 5 places and cancel this and cancel out this. We get 1 2 3 4 zeros. 1 2 3 4. It means 40,000. Then side equal to under root 40,000 is 200 centimeter. So radius equal to 100 centimeter. Now find the area of shaded region. Area of shaded region equal to area of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle minus area of 3 sectors. 3 sectors. Then the area of equilateral triangle is given that 17320 0.5. 3 sector 3 into theta equal to 60 degree equilateral triangle into pi 3.14 and r square is 100 into 100. 6, 3 2 ja 6. Now solve. You can get 1620.5 centimeter square. Question number 11. On a square handkerchief, 9 circular designs, each of radius 7 centimeter, are made. See figure 12.29. Find the area of remaining portion of the handkerchief. This is the square handkerchief. In a 7 radius, it means the diameter of a smaller circle is 14. 14 plus 14 plus 14 is the side of a square. It means 42 is the side of a square. Radius equal to 7 centimeter and diameter equal to 2 into 7 14 centimeter and side of a square equal to 3 into 14 42 centimeter. Area of shaded region equal to area of square minus area of 9 circles. 9 circles. The area of square is 14, 2 into side minus 9 circle, 9 into pi r square. R is 7 into 7. Now solve this. 7 cancel. 42 into 14. 42. 9 into 22 into 9. 1386. This is the answer. Next question. Question number 12. In a figure 12.30, OACB is a quadrant of circle with center O and radius 3.5 centimeter. OD equal to 2 centimeter. Find the area of quadrant OACB. OACB. Find the area of this quadrant and shaded region. The radius is 3.5 centimeter. The area of quadrant is theta by 360 by into pi r square. Okay, OACB and shaded region area of quadrant minus area of this triangle. The area of quadrant equal to theta by 360. Quadrant, the sector angle is 90 degree. Pi is 22 by 7 and r square is 3.5 into 3.5. 9 4 ja 36. 7 0.5. 0.5 into 11. 11 into 3.5 by 4. Now the answer is taking 5 7 ja 5 8 ja. The area is 77 by 8 centimeter square and area of shaded region equal to area of quadrant minus area of triangle. Area of quadrant is 77 by 8. No need to find. And area of triangle is 1 by 2. Base is 3.5 and height is 2. Cancel. 77 by 8 minus 3.5. You can write in the fraction 35 by 10 or taking the 7 by 2. Now taking LCM 8. 77. 2 4 ja 8, 4 7 ja 28. 17 minus 8 equal to 9. 6 minus 2 14. 49 by 8 centimeters. Next question. Question number 13. A square OABC is inscribed a quadrant OABQ. OA equal to 20 centimeter. Find the area of shaded region using pi equal to 3.14. Area of shaded region equal to area of quadrant minus area of square. The side of the square is given, but not the radius of this quadrant is given. Now join OB and find the radius of the quadrant. The OA equal to 20 centimeter. OABC is a square, it means this is also 20 centimeter. Find OB by using Pythagoras theorem. OB square equal to OA square plus AB square. It means 20 square plus 20 square. 400, 400, 800. Then OB equal to 20 root 2. Okay, the radius equal to 20 root 2 centimeter. And area of shaded region equal to area of quadrant minus area of square. And area of quadrant is 90 by 360, pi equal to 3.14, and radius is 20 root 2 into 20 root 2. It means 800. And area of square equal to 20 into 20. 9 4 ja 36. 5 4 5 ja 20. Now 3.14 into 20 to 45 ja 200 minus 400. Solve. 1 in 200 6 minus 400. 228 centimeter square. The question number 14. AB and CD are respectively arcs of two concentric circles of radii 21 cm and 7 cm and center O. Angle AOB equal to 30 degree. Find the area of shaded region. This is a similar question we have solved earlier. The area of bigger sector minus area of a smaller sector. Simple question. R1 21, R2 7, theta equal to 30 degree. Area of shaded region equal to area of bigger sector minus smaller sector. 30 by 360 and pi is 22 by 7 and 21 square minus 7 square. 12. 22 by 7 into 12. 21 minus 7 is 14 and 21 plus 7 equal to 28. 7 2 ja 7 4 ja 28. 4 3 ja 12 and 14 multiplying 308 by 3 centimeter square. Question number 15. Figure 12.33. ABC is a quadrant of circle of radius 14 centimeter. Semicircle is drawn with BC as a diameter. Find the area of shaded region. Quadrant, this is 14, AC 14 and AB 14. And this is the semicircle on this hypotenuse. The number 1, we have to find the hypotenuse BC. This is the diameter of this circle. Now we find the area of triangle plus semicircle minus quadrant. Okay. This is a triangle. 14 and 14. Find the hypotenuse BC. BC square equal to AB square plus AC square. 14 square plus 14 square. It means 2 into 14 square. The BC equal to 14 root 2. This is the diameter BC. The diameter of semicircle is 14 root 2 centimeter. Then the radius equal to half of this 7 root 2 centimeter. Now area of triangle 1 by 2 14 into 14 and area of quadrant 90 by 360 this and area of semicircle. Right. Area of shaded region equal to area of triangle plus area of semicircle minus area of quadrant. Area of triangle equal to 1 by 2 base into height. Both are 14. Area of semicircle means 1 by 2 pi. R square is 7 root 2. Radius is 7 root 2 into 7 root 2. Minus area of quadrant means 90 by 360 or 1 by 4. Pi r square, r is 14 into 14. 14 7 ja 98 minus 7 root 2 cancel by this. Plus minus 7 2 is 14, 2 2 is 4, then 2 7 is 14. 154 cancel, 98 centimeter square. 16 and the last question. Calculate the area of designed region in the figure common between the two quadrant of circle radius 8 centimeter. This is the same. The area of this region design is area of two quadrant minus area of square. Area of this. The side of the square is 8 centimeter and radius of the quadrant is 8. The area of shaded region equal to area of two quadrants minus area of the square. The area of quadrant is 90 by 360. Two quadrant it means 2 into pi. R is 8 into 8. Minus area of square is 8 into 8. 4, 2, 11. Multiplying this 8 just 64 into 11 by 7 minus 64. Solve this. We can take 64 agar common. The 11 minus 7 banja 7 by 7. 11 minus 7 is 4. Sorry, 4 by 7. 256 by 7 centimeter square. This is the area of shaded region. Exercise complete. Thank you.